In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the YouTube Premium error that says we could not verify your country. Let's get started. First, make sure that your VPN is turned off. To check that, launch Settings. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. YouTube may detect a different location which causes the issues. Next up, check your internet connection. If your internet is slow or unstable, try switching to a stronger or more reliable network. And if the problem still continues, you can report the issue directly to YouTube. To do that, launch your YouTube app, then navigate to your settings page. For that, click on this profile icon. Now click on the option Settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Send Feedback. Now describe your problem clearly. Mention that your VPN is off and YouTube Premium is still unable to verify your country. You can even attach a screenshot to help the support team understand the issue better. When submitted, YouTube will review your report and get back to you. Hopefully this solves the problem for you. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.